Scan for Sovi and straight A's only. Let's go!
Java loops can be tricky, but we will master this code segment in seconds. Let's trace the variable n to find the correct output. We start with n equal to 0. The while loop checks if n is less than 10. Since 0 is less than 10, we enter the loop and add 2 immediately. Now n is 2, so we print it first. We repeat this process, adding 2 and printing the result as long as n remains less than 10 at the start. When n reaches 8, we add 2 to get 10 and print it. 10 is not less than 10, so the loop stops. Well done! Scan the code to learn with Sovi. Avoid rushing. Trust the given code and check your steps.